Okay, let's see. No, not him. I don't want to talk to him. Let's see. That guy must text me back. Uh, uh okay. Oh, let's see if he's online. No, he's not. Okay, I guess he's not online. Let's check out some of his friends. I suppose. Oh, there's all these people in games. He's in a game. Okay, what about some of his friends? Some of his friends online? Some that I can. Okay, this guy's in a game. What game he's playing? Oh, well, here we go. There's one game that a dude's playing. Let's join this dude's game and see what this dude is playing. I wonder what game he's gonna be playing. Oh man, the server's full. Why? Why does the server have to be full? Tell me, why? Come on. Seriously. Server's full. I can't even join this game. I don't know what game you're playing. Don't know what game you're playing. Even could be maybe a jailbreak. Oh, this guy's online. Wait, that the same exact guy? No, I don't think it is. Oh, there we go. You're in the game. Let's see if I can join you. Can I join you? Please be a yes. Yes, I can. What the heck is this game anyway? New. Wait. What just happened? What? Uh, uh, what? What is this? This isn't the game that she's in. Okay. Alright. Choose a color. Green. No, wait, I want orange. Okay, I guess. Orange. How do I get this off? Username. No. Continue. Get this off me. Inventory. No. 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 What was that do? How do I get this off? Spectate. I'm in this girl's game. No. No, I'm not. Oh, I'm leaving. Whatever this says. I bet you cannot join that game. Okay then. Well, that's kind of dumb. I can't join that game. Okay, this is like the same exact dude. It's the same exact dude that I just was seeing. Come on, man. At least can I join one game that you're playing? No, because that guy can't even join. You're kidding me right now. Nope. No. Nope. Wait. Hey. No. Okay, let's see. Let's see this girl's friend list. Let's see hers. Let's see how many friends are playing right now. Okay. No. Okay. No. Oh. No. That's just that girl. That's only one that I've seen. Okay. Literally. Are you kidding me right now? Okay. Snowman. Dude. What's up, bro? You are Snowman, dude, okay? Let's see, are one of your friends playing a game? Tell me. Please. Okay, that guy is. Let's go see. Followers. Let's check out some of these. See if some of my followers are online. This guy is. and he's in a game, and I do not know what game. So let's go ahead and join this game. Wait, so this is my friend. Well, let's see what game he's in. Guess World. Okay. This is a Guess World. What? Play. Guess Guy. I guess. Let's see. Skip. I don't care about the story. Where's my friend? Dude, this is from Guest. What? Find it. Oh, there he is. He's right there. Dude, this game is literally... Okay, I can't win anymore. Why am I only at level 1? This sucks. Click here. Okay. I clicked here. This game is kind of dumb. I don't even care for that game. Let's try to check out some of his friends. See who's online. Okay, I got 4 messages from people, from my friends. Oh, someone is at the game. They can't join him. Okay, that sucks. Anyone? Yes, some people are online. Yeah, this guy's online. This guy right here is online. Let's see, bro. Okay, so he's online. So, let's check out some of his friends, I guess. See if I can join some of his friends. Why cannot? Why can't I join none of his friends? Yes, I know I can join my friend. Come on, man. Why? Like, can't I join one of them? At least one person that I can join. What kind of face does this girl have? What? Oh my, okay, I can't see what face she has. Oh wait, yes I could. Here it is. And this face is currently not for sale. For sale. Come on. Right now, are you kidding me? Okay, let's see if... I don't know if this guy's online. I think he is. Hey, can you answer me right now? Check out this game. I don't want to play this game. Yeah, sure. Okay. I was gonna say okay. I'm not even gonna play the game. Get that out of here. Oh, someone's online. Someone's online. Okay. You. Buddy. Hi. Hey. Come on, man. Yeah. Come on. Hey. Can you answer me?